Hey Cam fam, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. And today I'm going to be showing you how to get this scary-ish pumpkin makeup look using pretty much, this is used with eyeshadow. This is no face paint or anything, so if you don't have face paint, this is an easier way you can do it. Yeah, I'm going to give you a tutorial, so keep on watching if you want to find out how to get this look. Yeah, I'm already live on one thing. Hey! That was so ugly. I'm so sorry about that. Welcome to my live stream of fun and spookiness. And I'm recording a video too, so this is so weird. I've never filmed and live streamed at the same time. But we're doing it. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to do a spooky pumpkin look. Yay! I already have moisturizer on, but my skin's really dry right now. But what we're gonna do, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna put foundation on, or am I gonna like make my face like orange? How am I gonna do that? Put my Cover FX Dewy Primer on. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna make my face orange. Eyeshadow everywhere. It's 1 a.m. where I live too. Okay, I should have freaking thought about this. I need like liquid or something. Like, I don't have anything. So what, I'm gonna be a white pumpkin? Someone said, love, peace, and chicken grease. How you doing? What if I just like contour orange? Like, you know what I mean? Like blend some orange. So I'm gonna take my NYX Bear With Me skin stuff just so we have something. Okay, and I'm gonna blend it using a brush. I definitely am gonna need more of that. What are y'all being for Halloween? I want to know. Whew, I've never live streamed so many places. 400 likes, thank you. Holy cow. Maybe I should do my eyebrows black. I'm very sorry, but who would take a modeling job off of Craigslist? I'm sorry. Okay, so we're gonna do eyebrows. We're gonna take this Shape Tape concealer on the back of our hands here. This is definitely going to be an interesting video to edit. Orange or black?
Black.
Yo, I low-key could cover this, my whole face in this. Okay guys, now I'm just taking this orange color and like putting it on the outsides of my face and kind of just like playing around with it and seeing what I can do. Do I look like a pumpkin yet?
Almost.
We're gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I want it to be kind of intense. Under here.
I want to speak.
I can't believe I'm doing this at 2 in the morning, but it's fine. Okay, that is a lot. We're gonna make our nose triangle anyways. Actually looks kind of like okay for this look. We'll just blend this up into our crease. Or not our crease, to like our brow bone kind of. I think I'm still gonna put more orange on my face because I'm gonna take a little bit of blush, just because, I don't know, I want to. This one, it's called Sexy. It's not really showing up, so let's take Hot, that color. Let's just put that on our cheeks a little. I'm currently drawing the triangle for my eyes right now. This was literally me trying to do a triangle on my eye. I think this will be okay. Cause it still looks like, I don't know. I need a bigger brush though. I didn't. I'm so dead right now. Oh, okay. Hey, so I just wanted to say sorry that this tutorial is a little all over the place. I had some things happen while I was filming it, but I did the best I could with this footage, so I hope it was still decent. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up for Halloween makeup tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below to become part of the camp fam and become a butterfly. I would love to have you here. And also leave me video suggestions down in the comments below. I usually don't do costume makeup, but it's Halloween time, so here we are.